Actually, monsoon is traditional different seasonal reversal of wind. Which accompanied by corresponding changes in precipitations. Monsoon being a complex climatological phenomenon. Monsoon. Narmada ITCZ, intertropical convergence zones shift northwards. This is a low pressure belt is a westerly and westerly jet streams withdraws from Indian regions. Monsoons. Being a low pressure zone and attracts monsoon winds. Southeast trade winds. Southeast trade winds attract. The existence of Himalayan ranges and the Tibetan plate. तिब्बतन प्लेट देश को बचाने के लिए आम जनता, किसान, स्टूडेंट्स को पूरा पार्लियामेंट और लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली एमपी-एमएलए में पूरा 70-80% होना पड़ेगा, इंडिपेंडेंटली खड़ा होना पड़ेगा. देन इंडिया विल चेंज, ऑल कंट्री विल बी चेंज, डिक्टेटर विल बी डिक्लाइन. कॉमन स्टूडेंट्स फ्यूचर ऑफ द कंट्री, नॉट जॉब. एमपी-एमएलए जजेस बनना पड़ेगा स्टूडेंट्स को. Common man, common students. Intertropical convergence zones shift northwards. Differential heating of the landmass of the Asia and Indian Ocean. Asia and Indian Oceans. Existence of Himalayan ranges and the Tibetan plate. Monsoon traditionally defined as seasonal reversal of wind, accompanied by corresponding changes in precipitation. Monsoon being a complex climatological phenomenon. Actually, existence of circulation of upper air jetstream, easterly jetstream, upper air jetstream, easterly jetstream in the troposphere. The origin of Indian monsoon has traditionally been ascribed to differential heating and cooling of the continent. Differential heating and cooling continent of Asia and the Indian Ocean, and monsoon were considered large scale and land and sea bridges. The simplistic model fails to explain many of the complex issues associated with monsoons. Recent dynamics theory is monsoon is a highly complex phenomenon that happens due to seasonal migrations. जो माइग्रेशन होता है प्लानिटरी विंड्स एंड प्रेशर बेल्ट फॉलोइंग द सन and closely influenced by the middle and upper tropospheric circulations. जिसको बच्चा ने चुना ब्लड आदमी कॉमन मैन. Changing position of the jet streams influenced origin and development. Monsoon, the presence of Himalayan ranges and Tibetan plate also have a close bearing on the origin of the monsoon. The jet stream that lie about 12 km in the troposphere and bifurcated by the Himalayan mountains and the Tibetan plate. Moreover, other global climatic phenomena like El Nino and La Nina also affect the rainfall pattern in monsoons. Easterly jet streams, which is the cause of and intertropical convergence. There are shift northwards. Intertropical convergence shift monsoons northwards. The existence of the Himalayan and the Tibetan plate. Actually, and what are the objectives of social forestry? Social forestry means social forestry can define the forestry for the peoples, by the peoples, and of the peoples. By the people, by the people, of the people. Social forestry also aims to raising plantation by the common man so as to meet the growing demand for timber, fuel, food, fodder, reducing the pressure on the traditional forest area. Social forestry, artificial forestry. Very simpler words, social forestry pertains to raising and management of forest. Social forestry, management of forest outside the traditional forestry, pertains to raising and management forest. For meeting the basic requirements of people, meeting the basic requirements to fulfill the demand of the timber of fuel, food, fodder. Different form of social forestry practiced in India and forestry. Community for forestry. extension forestry, agroforestry, urban forestry, forestry, community forestry, farm forestry, special forestry practice in India, farm forestry, community forestry, special forestry, extension forestry, agroforestry, urban forestry. They improve the environment for protecting agricultures from adverse climate factors, to protecting the environment from adverse climate factors. To increase the supply of wood for domestic use, small timber like livestock and mangrove forest produces for local industrials. To increase the natural beauty of the landscape, create recreational forest for the benefit of rural and urban populations, provide job for unskilled workers and rehabilitations. Finally, the objective to raise the